guys, just want to show you how to change your refrigerator bulb. Mine has just gone off. As you can see, inside my fridge is completely dark. This is the button that makes the light come on when you open the door. You can see this is where the light bulb is. There's absolutely no light coming off from it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a screwdriver and screw it out from there. Okay, you just need to, in my case, I just need to pull out the plastic cover, and then on the cover it just says the size of the bulb that you need. It's a screw cap and it's 15 watts, or if it's LED it's maximum 1.5 watts. Okay, I've just got some spares from Morrison's. It was actually £3 for a set of 2, and it's the 15 watt one. I couldn't find the LED one. So I'm going to remove the old one by unscrewing it, and you can see it's gone off because it's really black. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace it with the new one from Morrison. I'm going to screw it in, and very shortly you should be able to see the light coming on. Yay, there we are. So now the next thing I need to do is just put back the protection, the cover for the light bulb, and I'm going to screw it back in. Because this one takes a while, so that's why. Okay, all done now. Let me check. Yeah. It's working perfectly fine, and I still have a spare one. So this is how you can change your refrigerator bulb. Thank you.